RAM Dell Inspiron P57G. Inspiron 13 7000 series, and this one comes with an iCore 5 CPU. The video is about how to upgrade your RAM on this particular model. So I'm going to show you step by step how to go ahead and open up and remove the RAM or upgrade the RAM. First thing first, we want to remove all the screws at the bottom cover. There are about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 screws. So we're going to remove all the 10 screws. Now that we remove all the bottom cover screws, what I suggest you guys to grab as a guitar pick. These are really handy. You're going to stick the guitar pick between the bottom and the top cover right there, and you're going to twist it in a twist motion. And while you open a little bit, just put your finger underneath so it doesn't go back down, and keep doing that for all around. I usually do the front end on the side. Look, I just did the front and I just lifted up and it just came out. We need a little bit from the back side. And a little bit to this corner. Wiggle it around and it will come out. So this is the bottom cover. If you want to go ahead and clean it up. Now that we are at the bottom here, we are inside the laptop. The only thing I see here, the battery, the hard drive, the Wi-Fi board, and the CPU, heatsink, fan, and the RAM is right in the middle. There's only one RAM DIMM right here, so you can only upgrade one RAM slot, so there's no two DIMMs. So if you want to remove the RAM, you can actually, people say just disconnect the battery. You don't need to disconnect the battery if you're really careful. If you do want to disconnect the battery, there's only one screw right there, and the second one is right there to remove the battery, and the battery will come out. But you don't need, if you powered off the laptop, you don't need to remove the battery. You can just go simply pull these two triggers apart. Just right here. You can just pull these two triggers apart and the RAM will come out in 45-degree angle. There you go. And when the RAM comes in 45-degree angle, you want to remove it in 45-degree angle. You just pull out in 45-degree angle. So, and you're going to see the specification on the RAM on the other side sometimes, and sometimes it will be on this side. This one is an 8 gig RAM, DDR4, so you can grab another 16 gig DDR4 RAM, and you can just slide it in here in 45-degree angle, and press it towards the, push it down towards the jack. Once you see all the pin go in, and then push it down towards the motherboard from the middle, and you're going to hear the click sounds. And that's it, pretty much. That's how you upgrade your RAM. And the last thing will be to put back the cover down. So if you haven't removed the battery, again, there's two screws. If you wonder how to, there's two screws that we removed, and just pull out the battery. Just watch out for this cable, for the hard drive cable. You have to untangle that. And there's your battery right there. So if you want to unplug the battery first before you do it, go ahead, put it back down, just press it down, run the cable for the hard drive, and then put back again the screws. Alright, next we're going to put the top cover, and then you're just going to push down the sides. So you don't want to push down in the middle, there's nothing in there. So push down the front end, you're going to hear the clicks. And then last thing last, you want to put the bottom screws, all of them in. And they're all the same size, so you don't have to worry about mixing it up. So they all have the same height. So I hope you guys like this video. If you liked it, click the thumbs up button. And if you guys subscribe, I really appreciate it. And I'll take a request from my subscribers. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching, guys.